to Perry Toons Kids channel.
Five little frosty ducks went out to play, gliding on the ice and slipping away. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only four little frosty ducks came back. Four little frosty ducks spun all around, sliding and twirling without a sound. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only three little frosty ducks came back. Three little frosty ducks raced down the hill, tumbling and rolling, it was quite a thrill. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only two little frosty ducks came back. Two little frosty ducks built a snow friend, then the chilly wind blew them round the bend. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only one little frosty duck came back. One little frosty duck felt all alone, shivering and wishing he was back home. Mama duck called quack, 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 and all five frosty ducks came running back.
Don't forget to subscribe to Perry Toons and make sure to like and share as well. Bye, friends.
Quack, 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 quack.